Mohammad Umar Farooq Biological Video. Please make sure to subscribe, like and share. Ask the question for answer and comment about the artwork. You can also answer question to each other for solving the problem. So here today we will discuss about the recombinant DNA and recombinant DNA technology. So we will just understand the overview of the recombinant DNA and their technology, how it's produced the recombinant DNA and what is the function of it. We related to the bacterial DNA attachment with a segment of foreign DNA. So it's the DNA which contain DNA from two different sources is called recombinant DNA. For example, the DNA which that is segment of DNA are inoculated from the human cell, while the inserted into the bacterial DNA as a plasmid. So that's why. And the technology for the formation of recombinant DNA is called DNA technology. So the material for DNA recombination is here we will discuss the gene of interest. The meaning of gene of interest is that gene which that is our desire, while the molecular scissor is used for the restriction enzyme for cutting the DNA segment in the segment wise. So the molecular scissor is also known as the endonuclease enzyme. So that is the enzyme. While the molecular carrier or vector is used, for example, the plasmid is the molecular carrier or vector. So the last one is the expression system. So one by one we will discuss about the gene of interest, molecular scissor, molecular carrier or vector and expression system. So let's talk about here is the person which contain a tissue. Tissue is made up of cell, different or same. So that tissue contain each cell contain a nucleus. So this nucleus contain 46 chromosomes in the form of human being, while there are many animal which that variable of the chromosome. So this chromosome is attached with the wrapping around the histone protein 8 unit, and that is the methylation and acetylation is used for the gene function. So next video we will also discuss about the methylation and acetylation. So here is the DNA which contain a number of gene. So the separate segment of gene which that express separately. So the restriction enzyme endonuclease is E. coli restriction enzyme 1 is come from the E. coli bacteria, and that is used for the restriction. So after the restriction, that gene segment of DNA will be formed. So let's talk about the recombinant technology, and we will discuss about the gene of interest, molecular scissor, molecular carrier or vector, as well as DNA of bacterial virus. So let's talk about here the gene of interest. What is the gene of interest? That gene which that is required to produce that substance. So isolation of gene from chromosome is done from here. Here is the chromosome which contain a different type of gene, and we will use the molecular scissor to cut it, and the cutting of the segment of DNA, segment of gene by the using of it. While the messenger RNA also present into the cytoplasm, we can also regenerate by the reverse transcriptase enzyme to messenger RNA convert into the segment of that gene, which that is the desirable. For example, the insulin producing cell are present in the pancreas contain messenger RNA, and that messenger RNA is same for production of insulin. So that is why. So that means the segment can be PCR, use polymerase chain reaction to amplify the segment for further queries. So the molecular scissor is also used. So what is the molecular scissor? Molecular scissor is the restriction enzyme from bacteria E. coli, which that is come from the bacteria E. coli, and this E. coli or 1 restriction 1, which that is cutting the gene segment. So that's cutting of the gene segment to separate this segment, and that is known as the new fragment. And this new fragment will be introduced to the plasmid of the bacteria as a vector, and this plasmid is used by the molecular paste. It is known as the DNA ligase. So this DNA ligase will be attached, and that is the recombinant plasmid. This recombinant plasmid will transferred into the bacteria by a different mechanism we will discuss also, and this is the production reproduction of bacteria and producing that substance which that is our desire. So here the molecular carrier mean that is the plasmid. So this plasmid is a basically recombinant DNA is introduced into a host cell is called vector. So this molecular carrier is a plasmid which contain foreign gene, for example insulin producing gene or something. So the DNA of bacterial virus, which that is also produced. For example, the bacterial DNA is inserted by the foreign gene to become a DNA recombinant. So that is also nucleoid. It is also known as this nucleoid is also recombinant, able to recombinate. While here the DNA of bacterial virus, for example, the bacteria will be infected by the virus, so that is known as the bacteriophage, for example, and that bacteriophage is the recombinant bacteriophage can be occur by the insertion of the gene of interest which that is our required or our desire, and this foreign gene will be inserted into the bacteriophage DNA, and that is a process is what host bacteria will be injected or affected by this bacteriophage DNA. So that process is the landing, absorption, injection, and release. After the injection, the bacteriophage will be released. So here we will not understand that things. So the host bacteria, basically here the host bacteria will convert into the recombinant DNA, because that means here the ligase enzyme and restriction enzyme are present in the bacteria. So that means the restriction enzyme and DNA ligase enzyme work collectively, and that space the molecular DNA segment, that is the segment which we insert, and that bacteria will be grow, and that gene of choice will be occur, and after the reproduction and cell division of the DNA. For example, this is the prokaryotes, and pro mean before and karyon mean nucleus. It means that no nucleus are present. So that is why easy to way to amplify the bacteria desired gene by the replication. So that's DNA replicate and cell divide, and cell division of bacteria will be amplified, that is desired substance also produce, for example insulin, etc. So let's talk about the expression system. Expression system mean the express the gene, which that means that is the required gene are present in the chromosome, and how to express and how to get that gene is necessary. So here's the bacteria are mostly used as expression system. So the bacteria used for the expression system, that means what is the gene. For example, we are checking that what is the gene and what will be produced for it. So that's if we will identify that gene, what is the gene, for example insulin producing gene or some growth hormone producing gene, when we will take the pancreas, when we will take the gene from the pancreas, we will discuss pancreatic cell. So here the clone of bacteria is prepared. It means the clone of the bacteria, many more bacteria will be produced for checking that gene segment by the gene of interest. So clone can be large number of molecules. Cloned gene, it means the number of cloned gene, or cell clone bacteria identical to original specimen. For example, here is the bacteria. This bacteria contain a plasmid and nucleoid, for example DNA, circular DNA, and cell membrane, villi, and flagella. So this is the E. coli bacteria. So this E. coli bacteria is also known as bacillus. So this bacilli structure. So plasmid will be separate, and this plasmid contain a different nucleotide. This nucleotide contain a gene. For example, here is the gene. So this gene guanine, adenine, adenine, thymine, and guanine, which that is the complementary strand, is the opposite, and both are helical structure basically. So the plasmid is here. This plasmid is cutting by the endonuclease enzyme. So these endonuclease enzyme cut from the plasmid and to produce this type of structure by the cutting, so that molecular paste or DNA ligase enzyme used to paste the foreign DNA segment. How to produce it? A recombinant plasmid we will discuss with the details. So here is the plasmid, and this plasmid contains cytosine, thymine, thymine, adenine, adenine, and that is the cytosine, thymine, thymine, adenine, adenine. That is the two strand opposite antiparallel, and that means here is the basically plasmid will be cut the segment of the gene or cutting of the plasmid. So that is why not the separation of the segment of gene. So here is the tissue of the pancreatic cell. This pancreatic cell contain islet of Langerhans. This islet of Langerhans contain each molecule of beta cell contain a chromosome. See, this chromosome will be separate chromosome number 11. So this region 1 band 5 sub band 5 is the P arm side, the small arm will be separate the gene. So the donor DNA will be formed. So this segment when here is the DNA structure, which that is separate the segment where the production where the transcription and translation of protein, for example insulin. So the donor DNA cut with a restriction enzyme, and after the restriction enzyme, that is cutting of the donor DNA fragments, so these fragments will be formed, and there are the many fragments will be amplified by the polymerase chain reaction. So that's polymerase chain reaction is the machine which they are used for the amplification of the segment. It means the produce of the copy of the gene. So the donor DNA fragment are here. So here is we can DNA ligase enzyme as a molecular paste to use the bind with the plasmid with the sticky end. So that's produce the sticky end by the DNA ligase. So this sticky end is the G to G, and that is the sticky end, and the complementary strand of the segment will be bind, and after the binding to produce the recombinant DNA molecule. So this is the recombinant DNA molecule. So this recombinant DNA molecule is used as a gene containing desired gene of interest containing plasmid. That is the recombinant plasmid, and this plasmid will be inserted into the bacteria to produce the copy of the plasmid as a recombinant genome. So as well as also produce the substance, for example insulin, and insulin will be separated into the industry and packing to provide the diabetic person. So here is the plasmid and calcium chloride, and E. coli is used for it. So let's talk about here is the plasma membrane without treatment of the calcium chloride. So the outer side and inner side contain negative charge by the phosphate group, and the natural repulsion will be occur due to the plasmid. While when we will add the calcium chloride or treatment with the calcium chloride, and that's calcium chloride is a calcium contain positive ion, so that means the positive will be attract to the negative of the plasmid as well as the plasma membrane bilayer upper layer of the plasma membrane. So that means the positive charge attract to the negative to create a neutral environment, but inside is the negative, because inside is not the calcium chloride is present. So that means inside is the negative. It means the positive creation will be attract to the negative. It means the movement of plasmid inside from the outside environment. So that means the plasmid will be moved inside. Why? Because the negative charge is inside, while the outer region contain a positive whole positive charge in the plasmid as well as plasma membrane upper layer of phospholipid. Let's talk about here is the number 1, 2, 3, which that is the process to move the plasmid inside for the attraction of the negative charge due to the presence of positive charge are already present. So here is the growth and reproduction in bacteria will be occur after the providing of the nutrients. So when we will provide the nutrients, that is the replication of the plasmid, as well as the copy of the gene will be produced, and the many more bacteria will be formed. So the normally if we will talk about the bacteria contain a growth phase, which that is the growth phase, log phase, or stationary phase, which that is the death and decline, death and our production will be equalized. So that's death and reproduction rate is equal, while the rapidly move the decline death phase. Why? Because it is a nutrients deficiency. However, if we will provide the more nutrients to maintain the stationary phase, so that is why. So when we will provide the stationary phase by the nutrients to maintain it, so the separation of plasmid are more remain for production of substance. So that means it is used for also the research by the separation of the and plasmid to check the segment, different copy of the segment, which that is a clone of the gene, which that is we inserted as a checking or producing the substance. So when we will take into the lab, these plasmid is used for production of hormones and protein or desired substance like insulin. So that means the testosterone, growth hormone, insulin, protein, as well as other metals, etc., which that is all thing is produced by this mechanism. So you can understand better way with this diagram. If you have any understanding, so you can watch again this video to understand this concept. So that is the recombinant DNA and DNA and recombinant DNA technology related video. And next video we will also understand about the transcription, translation of the prokaryotes and the structure of the bacteria, etc., etc. So if you have any confusion, you can comment below, as well as you can basically you can watch another video to understand this concept. So I hope you make sense.